everybody. I'm Brittany here. We're over at Viso Medical Spa over in East Greenwich, Rhode Island. Thank you all for joining us. We have an exciting day today. We are going to have celebrities Ashley and Jared from The Bachelor and Bachelorette. We're so excited. We're actually going to be talking to them about their experience today with this baby, the VIVACE, our microneedling machine. All right, so first I'm going to just introduce myself. So I'm Brittany Iafrati. I'm a nurse practitioner here. I own a medical spa in East Greenwich, Rhode Island. Welcome everybody. Hi. All these beautiful people. So I opened up my spa about 4 years ago. Next month will be 4 years exactly. And I just started out with injectables initially. I was doing a lot of Botox, a lot of filler, and I was missing that skin component. So I had done a lot of research, and microneedling just kept coming up over and over and over again. So I said, I've got to look into this microneedling. I love science, so I was really doing a lot of research, and there's tons of research to back up what microneedling really does, and it's proven to work. So what it really does is help build collagen. Collagen induction therapy is what we call it. So we had been doing microneedling, basic microneedling for a little while, and we were getting great results, but we just wanted that next level. Well, we found out, I did lots of research again, and the VIVACE is the it machine for microneedling. Yep, so this is a little different than regular microneedling because it has the RF component to it, so it's got that heat. So not only are you going to get that collagen induction, which we all need, but we're also going to get some skin tightening as well with it. So I'm going to see if Miss Ashley is ready for us. Just take a peek. She is. Hi everybody. So nice to see you all.
Hello.
Hey.
Hi guys.
Hey, Brittany, how are you?
See you. I'm doing well.
Good.
People here in Rhode Island today, huh?
I know. Well,
We
unfortunately,
are in
not in Rhode Island right
Virginia.
now.
What the heck?
I know her sister got engaged, so we flew down to DC for an engagement dinner with the fam.
Nice.
Yeah.
I wanted to ask you guys quick, so a little bit of background about you two. So you were both on The Bachelor, Bachelorette, right?
Yep.
When did you guys really fall in love?
Oh, the day I met her, honestly.
He says
the day
this,
I
and
met
I
her.
feel like slapping him every
No,
time.
it's true.
But
We always had a great connection. So I was on Bachelorette, she was on Bachelor, we met on Bachelor in Paradise, and we became friends at first. And I was just, your typical idiot guy, which I still am today, but hopefully a little bit smarter than I was.
Pretty good.
Yeah, I was just an idiot all along, and she's an incredible human being. So,
Well, to answer your question, we'll call it day one.
what, day one?
Day one. She said, when did you fall in love?
Oh yeah, day one. Yeah, we'll say that.
So cute. Well, because when you guys came in here, you were so sweet together, very natural. It's just so nice to see a really loving couple, especially at your age. So
Oh, thanks. All right, so you say we're young.
Are we old?
You're not old. You're young. And I feel like we very rarely see a nice young couple growing together. So it's now.
Thank you.
Well, let's talk a little bit about your experience here. You came in, we did the VIVACE on you. It was, I believe, your first time ever doing the VIVACE, which is the microneedling with the radio frequency component to it.
Yep.
So I'm going to just quickly mention a couple of things. So this is my baby, my girl. I have two boys at home, 5 and 7, and I have my VIVACE, which is my little girl who's about 8.
Oh, very nice. I'm sure it gets all the spoil treatment.
Yeah, so what it does, I'm going to show you a little bit too. So over here, it basically has about 32 needles to it. We're going to be doing some micro trauma to the skin. Trauma enough where we're not scarring the skin, but enough for the body to say like, whoa, what is happening right now? It needs to heal itself. So we found out with research that this treatment is just amazing to help build the collagen. And it's really because your body is trying to heal. Which is awesome. And the RF portion to it, which is a little different than the basic microneedling, includes that heat, which is going to help really tighten that skin a little bit as well. And we're going to get at a way deeper level than we ever would be able to with the basic microneedling, which is right where we want that collagen to be building.
Yes.
I've heard I've never heard the word collagen more than over the
Than
past few
with
years
me?
when I've been with Ashley.
Oh my God, I'm always telling
Now
him,
I'm
my
learning that.
collagen's evaporating, that plump, like,
Oh,
bouncy feel.
Collagen is
God.
very important. I know this now.
I drink collagen tea now. And yes, I actually truly saw in one treatment a difference in just like the tightness of my skin. It was about 2 weeks after getting VIVACE. And I was like looking in the mirror and I was like, not trying to be conceited or anything, but I like kind of like snatched.
She actually did say
Like
this.
yeah, just like a little bit more pulled.
And the VIVACE didn't hurt either. I was a little nervous. I'm not going to lie. I don't handle beauty pain all that well. I may have cried during a facial or two, but the VIVACE, thank God, did not hurt at all.
Yeah, because you're numb for over a half an hour. You know, when you go over bones or, you know, your nose, your forehead, there's like some prickles, but overall, not a bad experience.
so I'm gonna actually try to put the needle on so I can show everybody really what this bad boy does. So we have different levels. There's different depths that this machine can go to. There's different lights for patients who's having like acne at the time, because there's a couple that we kind of may not want to do this procedure on. Patients who are pregnant, patients who are breastfeeding, and then possibly somebody who's having like a really big bad acne flare up at the time. So we don't want to like make things worse. So we'll just kind of treat the acne issue first and then have them come back in. So this is this is a deep level that I'm going to show you, but I think I need to kind of go up so you can have a good understanding of really what comes out.
Oh, yeah.
How those needles, I know, and it looks a little scary. I mean, you know, it really doesn't hurt that bad because of the numbing cream that we use.
Yeah, bark is worse than its bite.
Yeah, anything. Honestly, my pain tolerance for beauty treatments is really high, so I don't know if I'm even allowed to speak here. But like, if it's gonna make you prettier, like, just do it.
A grain of salt here, okay?
Kind of hit you hard when you came here. You're like, ready for this. We're getting a good treatment.
Oh, Ashley hopped right on the table.
Yeah.
She's like, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
A little easier on Jared, I think. It's not gonna.
Bit more just like delicately 1 foot under the cover at a time, just kind of getting my bearings down, getting myself mentally prepared, and then it wasn't that bad, and I felt like I was just complaining about nothing.
I feel like you guys went easier on him too, but I just want to mention that I do love the fact that it has the light therapy in addition to the microneedling, because that is truly unique to VIVACE. And we did blue light on mine for anti-acne reasons because I had so many closed comedones. Not a huge acne outbreak mention, but you know, some little bumpies in there.
Yep. We'll usually do like the whole face, and then we'll do those acne areas last at like a different setting, which is, I love how, you know, there's all different settings. It's tailored to you, whoever patient that comes in. It's amazing for everybody. Like you mentioned, believe it or not, we start to lose our collagen at 30. Like in our 30s, I hate to say that, but it's so true. If you're in your mid-30s, it's typically, you're going to start to feel your skin get, not as tight, just a little bit of a difference. So microneedling, this VIVACE, you need to kind of start now. Depending on where your skin is, what your skin concerns are, sometimes we'll just have you come in and do it once a year. Sometimes we'll have you typically we'll do like 3 treatments back to back about a month or 4 to 6 weeks apart from one another. See that result. And again, it's your own body building the collagen, so you're not going to see something like, you will see a little bit from the trauma. You'll see some like skin tightening the next day. You look a little pink. You look refreshed. Over the next couple of weeks, like you said, it's going to start to see a little bit, but you're really going to truly see your results over the next 3 months or so.
Yeah, I saw some people were commenting, does it make you red? And well, it kind of varies on the person. My skin's really reactive. So like, I don't feel like I didn't feel painful or anything, but I was really red for a couple hours after the procedure. Jared looked like nothing happened.
I mean, I was a little red, but not nearly as bad as you.
And all that redness is completely subsided by the next day.
You're much more fragile than I am.
Yes, it's true. But female skin versus male skin too.
So I think it's important to talk a little bit about the machine itself, because there's a bunch of different machines out there. Not all machines are made equally, just like people. This VIVACE, it's been out there for about It's backed by 4 years of successful use by plastic surgeons, dermatologists, medical spas, of course, and then it's FDA cleared, which is another huge thing. A lot of things out there aren't quite FDA approved. So you do your research and make sure that you're getting a treatment done by a professional who's been trained and with a machine that's FDA approved and all of that. It's definitely right now like the industry leading RF microneedling machine out there at this time. So the VIVACE is it. We like to say, you know, we hear it pronounced all different ways, but over here, we like to say, get the VIVACE at Viso. We're not sure if it's Italian or not, but we like to say it like it is.
Sounds Italian.
That's great.
Well, Viso means beautiful face in Italian, so it right in with our family.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
Yeah, that's right. So guys, do you have any questions for me at all? I mean, it sounds like you had a great experience with it.
I want more treatments. I definitely want to get my second and third because they say that you see full results sort of after the third, a couple weeks after the third. So I'm excited to do more. I think that maybe just like reiterating how hurting the skin a little bit actually enhances it and allows it to heal, because I think a lot of people probably don't understand that concept.
Absolutely. So again, I think I showed you over here. So there's the needles that come out. They're going to puncture the skin, okay? They're going to puncture it in a way it's going to get down to the correct level of where the collagen really truly needs to be produced. If you're using some of those at-home machines, you're going to traumatize the skin pretty much. You're going to get a little bit of blood flow to the area, but you're not nearly going to get any results anywhere close to something like this. You know, even the basic microneedling is like the next step, and then there's VIVACE, which is like
that brings a great point about rollers, because so many people a couple years ago were recommending to get rollers. They're like $150. They were like clinical tools, right? But like a roller actually only tears the surface level and allows bacteria to get in, which is obviously acne causing.
Right. And we're using, you know, it's a medical facility here, so we're using cleansers that you won't have at home. The precautions being taken here are like no other, you know, at any professional medical spa, dermatology, plastic surgeon. So, you know, it's good to take care of your skin, start doing some things at home, but just do a little bit of research, you know, really what is the best thing for you.
Yeah, I enjoyed it a lot. I also like going to a spa environment.
Like the experience.
I do love the experience. You know, I mean, there's just something to be said about going to a very nice ambiance that feels clean and smells nice, and then you're getting beauty work done. I don't know. It's a nice little Saturday out, you know?
He definitely wanted to go upstairs and get a massage afterwards.
Well, that was very nice. That was a nice little surprise. I didn't know that you guys had, you know, a massage parlor up the stairs.
Yeah, you guys, if you are in the Rhode Island area, their office is so beautiful.
Yeah. East Greenwich, best place on earth.
It's fresh and clean, and they offer so much.
Yes. So, guys, thank you again for coming. It was so nice meeting you. We look forward to seeing you again. We love you guys.
Yeah.
You grow.
Bye, Brittany.
If anybody has any questions, please don't hesitate to follow. You can follow us on Instagram. Just do a search for Viso Medical Spa. We will come up. You're more than welcome to give us a call, email, whatever's easier. And we look forward to meeting some of you soon. Bye, everybody. Have a good day. I have no idea. You're all going to have to bear with me for a sec. Hi, everybody. I know you're all still on there watching me do this silly thing. I have no idea how to save it. Did you end it? I pressed this. I don't know how to.